Kelli. Today is the first day of Vlogmas. It is Tuesday, November 22nd, so just like 2 days before Thanksgiving, and we're gonna get started with this Vlogmas thing and see how it goes. The plan is from now until the new year that we'll have a video up every day, mostly daily vlogs with some other things in between. So I hope that you enjoy. So today my plan is to bake everything that I need for Thanksgiving, which would be I make a pumpkin pie, an apple pie, pumpkin roll, and then my husband makes a chocolate pie. So I am getting a list together to go to the grocery store now and take care of getting all of that stuff. And then I've been working this morning for a few hours, just getting some things done, doing some laundry, that kind of things. Trying to find the recipes. I used them for a cookbook that I made, and I must have not put them back in the right place. Well, that was an adventure. It was very, very busy, as you would expect 2 days before Thanksgiving, but I got the last 2 cans of evaporated milk that they had on the shelf, so I'm glad that they had what I needed, because that would have been disappointing. But and then when I came out to the parking lot, the car wouldn't start, so Justin had to come rescue me from that. Thankfully he works locally, so it's not a big deal for him to come help me out. I don't know what's wrong with it, because I tried to start it a bunch of times, and then as soon as he got there, he tried once and it started. So, who knows what I was doing wrong, but oh well.
It shifted.
Okay, I'm back from the store. Justin's here on his lunch break.
Hello.
So I'll just give you a quick little...
Hey. Off my cover.
No scratching. Give you a quick little haul of what I got. So like I said before, the last 2 evaporated milks off the shelf.
The very last.
Yeah.
Shoot.
They just had the small ones.
We're lucky.
Extra creamy, ready whipped for pie. Pumpkin. Some confectioner's sugar. Powdered sugar, you know. Gotta have that. Chocolate pudding. What's this for? Chocolate pudding boy.
Chocolate pudding is for the best chocolate pie known to Thanksgiving.
Did you just put your foot in your water bowl?
He was very excited when I put the food down that he kind of like just rushed.
Hand soap. This isn't my favorite, but we are out. And I don't have time to wait for more to come, so that's what we're using. Just doing our best around here. Ugh.
Pickled egg.
Gag.
The best lunch a person could have.
Cream cheese. I have something in here for you for lunch.
You have something in there for me?
Yeah, for you and for me. Oreo pie crust for that. What's it called? Chocolate pie. Some Granny Smith apples for apple pie.
Oh yeah. Pardon me. I need a little cup for ketchup.
Ugh. I think the pickled egg thing just gets worse every time you open your mouth about it. Gross. Hot Pockets for lunch today.
Ooh, buttery crispy flake.
Yeah. Garlic buttery crust, it says. Some Dr. Pepper, because. And the most unnecessary purchase, but it's okay. Turkey butter. Turkey shaped butter for Thanksgiving. Unnecessary, yes, but my niece will enjoy it, as will everyone else. So that's that. We're gonna eat some lunch. I did forget to mention that if you aren't using the Fetch, is that what it's called? Fetch Rewards, the Fetch app, Fetch Rewards app on to scan your receipts, you should be, because I just started doing it like a couple weeks ago and I already almost have a free gift card. So, okay, it's time to get baking. So up first, I am going to clean and cut up my apples. I need 4.5 cups of apples for my apple pie. So that is what I'm gonna do first. And then I'm gonna make my crusts, which is probably what I should do first, but I would like to get this messiness over with first. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, I have all the apples cut up. I peel them and then chop them up. It took about 6 apples, I think, of the smaller ones. So next I'm going to get to work on my pie crust, I think. I'm just realizing I didn't buy butter. Have to figure that out. All right, I went back to the store and did something that I never do, and I bought pie crust because it's already 2 o'clock and I have other things to do today. So we're gonna just use this. I'm not sure how I feel about it, but it is what it is. A little tip when you're baking pies, to keep the bottom of the crust from getting soggy, just poke some vent holes in the bottom, like that. Perfect. Okay, so here's the apple pie ready to go in the oven, and next I am going to get to work on the pumpkin pie. We are moving right along. I have my pumpkin pies ready to go in the oven. It is now almost 5. I am still in the kitchen. I had to go run some errands for my mom, so I went back to the grocery store for the 3rd time today, but that's okay. So now I can finally actually bake my pies. So I have the oven preheating. I still have the cake part of pumpkin roll to make, and then I'm gonna go ahead and prep the filling tonight so that tomorrow all I have to do is spread the filling in them. So I just have those. Justin should be home in a few minutes. Okay, the apple pie is out of the oven. It smells good, doesn't it?
I enjoy a fresh apple pie. And oh, those Granny Smiths are going to be perfect for that.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello?
What's for dinner?
Taco. Homemade tacos. It came out a little thicker than normal, a little bit like sloppy Joe. But I had to try it a little bit, and it tasted pretty good. And we couldn't get the Spanish right, so we went with the other kind. It's still good, just not the same flavor like normal. Of course, I call them tacos, but people would say, those are burrito shells. Yeah, because I don't eat little tacos, I eat big tacos. I'm a big boy, and I like big tacos. And then I did some of our home corn.
Home corn.
Home corn, yeah. Corn.
Fresh corn.
Fresh corn, yeah. Oh, yeah, fabulous. We did refried beans. Of course, I have my favorite. I hope they sponsor me and give me all kinds of money, which is free taco sauce. My favorite. Then we have tomato.
Say the name.
Tomato, onion, Ortega. Nom, 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 nom. Delicious. And then we have the hard tortilla shells. Everything here is ready to go, actually. So, I'm ready for dinner if you're ready to eat.
Now the pumpkin pies are out of the oven, and I have one pumpkin roll in and the other one is mixing away. Okay, we are all done with the baking. We just have to make the filling for the pumpkin rolls and fill those, but we can't do that just yet. But here are the finished pumpkin pies. How do you think they look, Jay?
They look terrific. I think they look perfect, actually.
Baking pies at Thanksgiving and pumpkin roll is always something that I do. It's like a tradition, I guess. Is that what you'd say? Like tradition that's passed down in our family. I used to bake with my Nana a lot, and I would help her make the pies for Thanksgiving every year. So now that she's no longer with us, I make them. And in fact, the pie plate that I used for the apple pie over there was hers. So always good memories when doing this. It makes me think of her every year. So it's time to decorate our tree in the living room. So we're gonna watch the Santa Claus and get started on it.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh,
These little fellas are great for filling in your tree.
Then I have this little, it's like an air freshener thing from Young Living, and I'm gonna put some evergreen essence oil on it, and then we hang it on the back of the tree so it smells good. Here is the finished pumpkin roll. We'll cut the ends off of it before we put it on the plate for Thanksgiving so it'll look a little bit nicer, but there it is. Justin had a little sample of the filling. How was it?
That is the best darn pumpkin roll you'll ever eat.
Well, they won't eat it, but...
Well, you won't eat it. I'll eat it. I'll eat it and then some. But, you know, better than anything store-bought.
Alright, everybody, I think that's going to do it for today. I'm tired and I'm going to get ready for bed. And I will see you tomorrow.